Hey yo, how's it going everybody? Kelpo tells you whether to buy stuff or not. Because today, what I'm going to be doing, I got 2 new sets of Oreo things. Oh. Really? I got 2 new Oreo things. One is apple pie and one is hot cocoa. I haven't seen these before and... Wait. Let me just tell you guys first why I haven't been uploading. First of all, the last time we went to Lethbridge, to visit my brothers, I forgot my camera there, so it kind of sucked. So I couldn't really make any videos. And on my phone, it's way too slow. That's second thing, the Wi-Fi is too slow anyways. And I don't always get the chance to go to the public library here in town, which they have like the fastest Wi-Fi ever. Which is really cool, and also to make it up to you guys, I'll be double uploading today, I know for sure. And I'm gonna make a 2x2 Rubik's Cube tutorial on how to solve it. So look forward to that. Anyways, let's get right into the taste test. First, I'm going to start with the hot cocoa Oreos. Now, I don't eat a lot of Oreos, but when I see something new, I always like to try it. So this is what it looks like. It has like white. Let me just look inside. It has like a chocolate with white, like the normal white filling. Let's just take a bite of it. Just the way it is. I mean, these are limited edition, but if they're more money than regular Oreos, I'm just saying this for now. I wouldn't say buy them because they taste exactly like regular Oreos. Anyways, let's do the second part, the cream. I just tasted the brown cream. Now the white. They taste exactly the same. I'm really disappointed. Like, they taste exactly the same. I was expecting a way different taste. Because, I don't know. But let's not give up our hopes yet. Maybe it's supposed to be meant to dip in milk. That's hot cocoa. So I got my milk here. Let me just dip it in. Just wait like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tastes exactly the same. Guys, if you're gonna eat Oreos, I'm just not doing it for this video. If you're gonna eat Oreos and like dip them in milk, and you don't want to get your hands dirty, you want to take a fork and like put it in between the 2 cookies into the cream, and then you could dip the fork in with the cookie on the end, and you don't get your hands dirty. So that's a really cool trick. I'm gonna have one more cookie because they're good. I like Oreos, but I don't really have them, so this has been a while, like maybe, might have been a year since I tried one. Probably not a year, but like 5 months maybe. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I kind of tasted the difference though, but still kind of tastes the same. Okay, next are the Oreo apple pie. Or the apple pie Oreos. Yeah. Now these look like the golden ones with the golden filling in it, the golden cookie. If you guys could smell this, oh, it smells like cinnamony apple pie. Wait, let me take a whiff of these because I never. It kind of smells like poo, the other ones. Ew, it's kind of disgusting. Bleh, get that out of my face. They're delicious, but they don't smell good. Now these smell good. Let's see if they're delicious with just a bite. It's apple pie, right? Apple pie with cinnamon. That's good. Now just the cream or filling. It's really living up to its potential of apple pie. Now let's try it in the milk, see if it's good. Because I'm guessing the milk will kind of be like whipped cream, but let's try. I like it. Wait. I just think I like it more with milk. So good. My hair's like, I need to get a haircut. Look at that. It's like a rooster tail. Oh, gobble, gobble. I'm a turkey rooster thing. But I'd say definitely get the, if you can, because I think they don't have them anymore because they were a limited edition. But if they have them, wherever you are still, if they do still have them, definitely get the apple pie ones. The hot cocoa ones, just get original. It's like not, it's not worth trying to look for hot cocoa. They taste exactly the same. And try the apple pie ones with milk because it's really good. It's like whipped cream on an actual apple pie, kind of. But I'm just going to solve this Rubik's Cube because I'm trying to just entertain you guys. So, hi guys. I pretty much just woke up. And I was going to make a video. I sleep in really late and I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm up all night. But anyways, I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube and like, it's way easier than a 3x3. I'm gonna try to learn how to solve a 3x3. I already have tried, but it's just really complicated when there's no algorithms. Like, I can't find a video with algorithms. But when I do this video, this 2x2 tutorial, I will be doing algorithms. And I will be teaching you what the algorithms are. So don't worry about that. And bam, solved. But anyways, that's gonna conclude my video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'm probably gonna have more Oreos after this because those are delicious. But anyways, Oh, and guys, just before I leave, I got a new drone for Christmas, so I'll probably show videos of flying that someday. And subscribe, and like the video if you like Oreos. Comment if you hate Oreos, and dislike. Never mind. Don't dislike, please. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all later. And don't forget to follow me at kelpo_blanks_yt for YouTube.